Hello guys, welcome to Happy Steamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to add watermark using CapCut. So guys, at first tap on the new project. Now go to stock videos. Now select the black one. Tap on add. Now tap on text. Tap on add text. Now write here your watermark. Select your font here. Now go to style and now make the opacity 50. Now adjust the text size. Now export this one in high quality. Now go back. Again tap on new project. And now select the video that you want to add watermark. Now tap on overplay. Tap on add overplay. Now add the black edit one. Now tap on blend and go to dodge. And that's it. So guys, as you can see, that's how you can add watermark using CapCut very easily. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.